Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Mbps limit on PC so you can control how much internet bandwidth your computer uses for updates and downloads. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, click on Update and Security. Step 3. From the left-hand side, click on Windows Update. Step 4. Click on Advanced Options. Then under Additional Options, click on Delivery Optimization. Step 5. Click on Advanced Options under Download Settings and select the Absolute Bandwidth option. This option lets you manually define the exact Mbps limit instead of using a percentage. Step 6. Check limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates and use the slider to set the limit in Mbps. Step 7. Check limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the foreground and use the slider to set the limit in Mbps. Step 8. Check the monthly upload limit option. This controls how much data your PC can upload to other devices for update sharing. Setting a limit is useful if you have a capped internet plan. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.